时，声音低沉，还不断的咳嗽清嗓。被记者问到是不是身体不舒服了呢？拜登坦诚自己罹患了感冒，是被小孙子给传染的。而白宫医师也发布声明，强调拜登在这个礼拜已经接受了3次检测，排除了新冠肺炎的可能。
不断咳嗽，讲话断断续续。美国总统拜登3号在白宫发表演说，声音低沉，还一直清嗓。疫情敏感时机，拜登没戴口罩。演说结束时，记者最关心的是拜登中招了吗？
First of all, Mr. President, your voice sounds a little different. Are you okay?
What I have is a 1.5-year-old grandson who had a cold who likes to kiss his pop. And he'd been kissing my anyway, so, but it's just a cold.
原来儿子杭特周一带小孙子来白宫拜访爷爷奶奶，可能是被小朋友给传染了感冒。白宫医师后来也针对拜登的健康慎重地发表声明。
He has what's known as a frog in one's throat. And says the president's been tested for COVID 3 times this week. All of these tests were negative.
白宫强调，拜登定期接受检测，排除新冠肺炎的可能。至于不断清嗓，是受到胃食道逆流的影响。其实，拜登上个月才刚完成健检，医师研判他足以胜任总统职务。但2周前已经届满79岁，持续刷新最高龄美国总统纪录，健康也将势必受到放大检视。陈维仁编译。